So today we're going to change a fuel filter on this Citroën Berlingo B9 at 1.6 HDi, and it'll be the same for the Peugeot Partner as well. The bonnet catch should go in there, but I prefer to put it there because I'm quite tall. So because we're going to be working here on the fuel filter, just keeps the bonnet back out of the way. Let's slip this little plug off. Just unplug these, just depress the tab and then pull it back like that. Same with this one here. Just press in on the tab and then pull it back like so. That's those two there disconnected. It's a wee bit tight. And then this one here with this special tab. Can't remember how the clip in this side here works, so I'm going to pull the whole filter housing out to get a better look. It's 2 bolts, one here and one there. So before we do anything else, we need to pull this over like that and up so that we can drain it out. Basically, when you slide this over and pull it up a little bit, it pulls a rod up from here and it allows the fuel filter to drain out. So nothing draining out of mine. So we're just going to go ahead and undo the top. You need a Torx bit for this screw here. And then there's this one here as well to undo. And then you can separate it. So I'm just going to gently pry it apart here. Like that. And I'm going to try and catch some of the diesels where I can see this is the condition of it. That's my bad. You also need to remove this screw here, which somebody has replaced with many washers. Can't really get this part wrong. This is the bit that goes in the bottom and seals the filter from falling. It seals the filter from all of the diesel coming out of there. And then the rest of it, even though this part here does move, it's really easy to line up because you'll be guided in by these. So that's it. Just pop this on there, put all the screws back in, and then refit it back into place. I'm going to take care to reassemble that clip properly. And we can fit it back into place. There we go, keep it nice and high. Now we just want to make sure we line up those bolt holes there at the back. Do not forget to plug that back in. Just pushes on, make sure you get that good click. And now we just need to connect up these 2 lines here, and again these just push on. Make sure they click as well. Now to prime it, just push this up and down many times. You know when it's primed because it gets a lot harder to push in, and that's when you know that it's primed enough. So my top tip when you start it is to give it some revs, just in case there's a little bit of air in it, that it won't die and create an airlock in the system, but you can pull the air through. It might skip a little bit, but she should fire up. Just hold the rev steady for a second and then we'll gradually let them drop. And that's it. That's how you change a fuel filter on a B9 Peugeot Partner or a Citroën Berlingo, very similar van. These peasy. Take it for a test drive, make sure it restarts. There we go, she's just idling now, happy enough. Make sure that she starts again. Brilliant. There you go. Maybe there's something I didn't cover in this video, or any problems you encountered that I didn't. Maybe leave a comment and help somebody else out.